Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel in Shibu. And actually, right now I'm in Thrissur. And before coming here, I wanted to make videos, but what happened here? Meanwhile, I didn't get much time for making any videos. So, in this video, you will get it lot of things that if anybody comes while making videos, so at that time I will try to convince to them for 5 minutes or 10 minutes for communicating with anyone. Okay, so it would be very interesting. And what I am accepting right now, so behind me you can see that one is a shop, mobile shop. So usually my friend had purchased this one headphone. Okay, so on 23 December, that time he had purchased, but it was working very nice. But after that day for yesterday, it doesn't work this one right now. So we are going to change it. Okay, so while checking time, that time my friend my friend had been told that if you will get it any kinds of issue in your headphone, earphone, so you will be given other one. Okay, another one headphone, I mean same companies, companies you will be given. Okay, so like that my friend had been told. Okay, so right now we are going to talk with the shopkeeper who is the owner of that one shop, and he would be there or not, I don't know. वो है क्या? No. Actually now we are going to ask him that what. Okay, so we spent almost कितना ये 1100. Yeah, 1100. But see, it is a good quality. When we were taking, so that time we were told, but it only 20 or 25 days it was working well. But after that, this time it's not working properly. It means that I can say that it while checking time, only shopkeeper they tell us that it is a good quality. So if that one is good quality, so why it is happening like that? Okay, so I think it will be given or not. But after having talking to them, then only I will get to know that yes, it means I will be given. So finally he is checking right now. I would like to show you. He was asking that while using time or at your work, I think you fallen down, that's why it happened. But as far as I know that my friend, as he said to shopkeeper that, yeah, no, I haven't fell my headphone anywhere like that. So you can see these are, I can say that persons, and this that they come from Assam. So they come from Assam. So recently I met with him. I try to convince to him for subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's see what they will say actually. मेरा YouTube channel है, तो आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग सब्सक्राइब करिए. मोबाइल लाया है? निकालिए. Okay. So now I am asking to him that just try to kindly open your mobile. यार कर दो यार. I am convinced, requesting to all like whoever I am meeting like just try to. Okay, so give me a few minutes only. One more thing I would like to tell you that when I told him about my YouTube channel, so suddenly they asked my YouTube channel that could you please tell us what is your YouTube channel, and after told him that they suddenly took mobile as well, they started searching my channel on YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you so much dear, आप लोग सब्सक्राइब किए मेरा चैनल को, और आप लोग हम आशा करते हैं कि अच्छा वीडियो आप लोग मार्केट में यहाँ पे भी बनाया है बहुत जगह में. बस स्टैंड हुआ, यहाँ हुआ, अब पार्क में नहीं बनाया, तो आज वहाँ जाएंगे पार्क में. लेकिन डर भी लग रहा है यार, क्या बोलेगा नहीं बोलेगा. Okay, so now we can at least just try to give me 5 minutes. Okay, so here I can get chance to talk to someone, but I feel that later on I will get it definitely. So at that time I will try to meet you.
और रोड में जाएगा तो सत्यम अपार्टमेंट उधर इसका सर्विस सेंटर है उधर
So sir, पानी है,
पानी दिखाई दे रहा है
पर पानी में तो हम लोग डुबाए नहीं सर, पानी में तो डुबाए नहीं हम लोग। वही तो कैसा है, वही यही पता करने के लिए आपके पास आए हैं।
पानी
अगर इसमें पानी होता, इसमें पानी है तो ये काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा फिर?
हाँ पानी तो देगा ना तो चाबी नहीं आएगा
नहीं नहीं, पानी इसमें है, इसमें तो नहीं है ना।
वो पानी इसका अंदर
अब पावर बैंक है ना, पावर बैंक चार्ज किया वाला।
पावर बैंक है
हाँ, इसका
पावर बैंक ही है
और रहेगा तो प्रॉब्लम है। ओपो का तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
Okay, so that shopkeeper told to us that you have done it mistakes, so that's why this headphone is not working properly due to water. You may have fallen into the water. That's why this headphone is not working properly, like that we were told. Okay.
क्या खत्म हो गया
तो क्या करेगा?
काम करो इधर चेक करो ऊपर है सर्विस वाला वो बहुत अंदर जाने वाला वो उधर नहीं बोलेगा बोलेगा टाइम में जाती नहीं है।
Okay, so I didn't get it here because because I was not there with my friend when he was purchasing. Okay, okay, ठीक है दोस्त. So okay, what happened here when actually my friend took? So at that time I was not there with my friend, so that's why I can't say to shopkeeper anything. Okay, but as far as at that time while coming down, that time my friend told me that okay, so that time what happened? Sorry. So what happened? He started talking to me that I haven't, put my headphone into the water. Like that I was told. So I was also agreed like that. After that I started speaking with the shopkeeper. I was told that it is okay, but at this time you will not be given any different qualities for a different company. Yeah, different company of mobile earphone like that. Okay, so पहले कहाँ जाएंगे हम लोग?
इधर जाएंगे
Finally, okay, so like that we were told, and it's okay. But if I were there with my friends, so definitely I would told to that shopkeeper a lot of things. But it's okay. But I know that sometimes because we come from north part of India, we treat like I can't say that many people their mindset they're totally like different. We can't say that like that. Okay, so right now we are going to visit actually that one, that park is there. So right now we are going to visit. Okay, so before going that area, actually I asked to local people that may I get if I go inside the park will be told anything. So over there that person started saying to me, no dear, it is not that like that, you will not be told, without ticket you can go, you can enter inside. Okay, like that I was told. And now right now I'm ready to go that area. Before going that I'll have to approach the road. Okay, this one. Okay, so what happened here, as I told you that time I talked with local people that we want to go inside the park, we will be told anything, but they told me no, you will not be told anything, you can go inside the park without ticket like that. Okay, so right now by this way we can go, but I don't know actually here we can cross the road or not, but I don't have much. Wait, we will wait here. We will I can say that here we can face some difficulties, isn't it? So it would be better that by from there is a cross, there is a way. By that way we can cross. यहाँ से
इधर जाएंगे
हाँ लूज कर यार, पार्क जाएंगे ना तो वो वाला से जाएंगे. Okay, so there is a road. By that road we can go. We can go that one park. So right now we are going to visit as well. You can see that it's Sunday today. Due to Sunday, all people they are getting vacation, and now they have leisure times. That's why they are wondering. They came to purchase something like that, and it was a great thing that oh my god, there are who was standing there. Oh my god, there are a lot of I can say that क्या बोल सकते हैं, statue of man, girl, they made it stand like that. Okay, so it is a theater actually. Earlier twice or thrice time I came here. Yeah, I had come watch a movie with my friend, and it was a good experience. What I have observed, it was good. Okay, it was good, but what I'll tell you that okay, about that theater, it was good. Okay, it is okay, but you can say it is street shop. Slipper, different slippers, clothes. Also, that person is having business, and here what they are going to take actually it's Kawadi robot. It's a second-hand watch actually.
कबाड़ी
They are
हेडफोन बेच दे रहे
purchasing.
कबाड़ी है क्या
Kawadi है.
हेडफोन बेचते क्या
I don't want to take, but let's try to take it. What is the price of these watches? Like that. Like that. Huh? Okay, so wait. So few minutes. Give me times, but I will have to communicate with that person little bit. Okay. So I talked with him. I can't tell you that he is understanding or not. I think he didn't get it, my point. What I wanted to ask to him. Okay, but no issue. And here it was surviving people. But it is a bus stop.
चलो
चलो यहाँ से. Yeah. And what happened here? Yeah, best camp. Now people they are ready to get on the bus, and many people they are getting off the bus right now. Okay, so you can see. Actually, it is a very good way. They have made it inside the road. I can say that it like क्या बोलेंगे यार इसको भूल गया. Okay, so like that now we are going inside, and we will try to see like what we will get in the park. It will be very good experience for us. And oh my god, man was making videos so that I wanted to convince to him for subscribe my channel, but they are not agree, I think. Okay, subscribe नहीं करेगा दोस्त. Okay, so I
नहीं लेने यार वो
Sakal. So what happened? So